Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a DramaBox subscription on iPhone. So if you have a DramaBox subscription and if you want to remove the subscription, then first of all open your settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Now click on subscriptions. Here you will see all active subscriptions connected to your Apple account. Here you can scroll down and find DramaBox and then tap on it. And now you will need to select cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation when prompted. Your subscription will remain active until the current billing period ends. And that's it. That's how to cancel a DramaBox subscription on iPhone. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.